Hey, it's Jeff here. Hey, happy Saturday. If you lead in your videos with crap like that, you're losing eyeballs. Like, they're not gonna stick with your video even till you get to the meat, even till you get to what it's gonna be about. You have to lead every single video with a hook. Odds are, I lost people on this video because I led with that hook. What do I mean by a hook? I mean, like, if you're a realtor and you're standing in front of a new house or new listing or an open house, don't lead with, "Hi." That should be later on. Lead with a hook, give intrigue, give the audience, the viewer, something to want to stick with the video. So for example, if you said you're in front of a house that's got a brand new kitchen or a beautiful kitchen, and you could lead in with something that says, "You should see the brand new kitchen in this new listing that I have." Who am I to decide? Blah, blah, blah. Then tell a story, then have a call to action. But make your audience wait. So if you're gonna do a walkthrough on the house, tease 3 to 5 things about the house that you're gonna give to them. Then give it to them, but don't give it to them right away. You've got to lead your videos with a hook. And I don't care what kind of video it is. Any video that you do, create intrigue in the beginning with the hook. All of your videos should be hook, intro, story, call to action. Every single time. I want to see more hooks on your videos.